In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Minecraft Adventure Mode. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Adventure Mode is one of the standard game modes that you have alongside Survival, Creative, and Spectator. It has a very specific purpose which I'm gonna be presenting in this video. So, as you might be aware, in Survival or Creative, you are able to easily break blocks, place blocks, hit mobs, and so on. However, in Adventure Mode, which is extremely specific and niche in its usage, you will notice that you cannot do anything of the sort. So I'm pressing my left click, you can clearly see me swing my arms, but I'm not able to break anything, not even grass, flowers, or anything else. And if I try to place these blocks that I have down, nothing will happen. I can still craft some stuff, so as you can see, I'm still able to craft items. However, because I can't place anything down, I won't be able to make a crafting table and progress. I'm still able to hit mobs. Mobs can still hit me, and so on. So what is the purpose of Adventure Mode? Adventure Mode is meant to be used in adventure maps, so maps designed as sort of story-driven adventures. So if you are playing alone or with friends, and the creator of the map does not want you and your friends to break blocks, walk around the map, and do unintended stuff, they might set your game mode to adventure. This way, you will only be able to progress through the map without going anywhere that you are not supposed to. You can still eat and you can still do most actions, but because the general things that you can do like breaking blocks, placing blocks, and progressing through the game are not going to be available, it's not intended to be played normally. So this isn't a game mode that you are supposed to play through, reach the end, defeat the Ender Dragon, and so on. It is meant to be used in specific maps and specific cases when you want someone to progress through a map and do an adventure, do a quest, but they are not supposed to do anything else. You can set your game mode by typing /game mode /adventure as long as you have the necessary permissions. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Minecraft Adventure Mode. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.